Hello guys, this is RayJ, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Asus 970 Pro Gaming Aura motherboard. My friend asked me to build him a computer, so I set myself the task of doing so. I've always built my own computers from around the age of 14 and I fell in love with it ever since. I've often built other people's machines as well, but this was the first time I was building one for a very close friend of mine, and due to the budget and also my personal preferred CPU and GPU manufacturer, I did indeed go with AMD. It's an AMD plus 3 socket motherboard and has features such as USB 3.1 support, RGB lighting and a ton of more features which you can find from their website. I really like Asus products and especially their motherboards. I've got the Sabertooth R2 in mine, and I wanted to look for something similar, if not more up to date and better for my friend's machine, so after looking around I found this. Opening up the box, we are first greeted with the motherboard itself, and as usual it is wrapped in an anti-static bag. But we'll get to the motherboard later on, so let's continue checking the rest out. Alright, so we have the back panel for the motherboard, which is a metal finish, but this is expected. Next we have some pro gaming cable labels. These are definitely pretty useful, especially if you have lots of hard drives and SSDs in your machine, then this can be a great way to manage them, and if you're changing or looking for a defective item, or like a drive for example, in the end it just saves you time. It's a tad cheesy that they say Pro Gamer on them, but it's a nice addition nonetheless. Here we have the Republic of Gamers, also known as ROG, NVIDIA SLI cable, which allows you to run 2 graphics cards in your machine simultaneously. In this little bag we've got a few extra standoff mounts for mounting the motherboard to your case and some screws. Next we have 2 SATA cables, which in my opinion should always be standard with motherboards. But not all do, so this is nice to see that we have 2 decent cables in here. Now we have a few cable ties for cable management, and last but not least we have a few warranty slips and a user manual. Inside the user manual there's a driver CD, but most people like myself would often update online or let Windows sort that out for us. Okay, so let's pull out the motherboard. In my opinion this looks great, and I love the red and black colour scheme, and don't forget it also has RGB lighting too, so it'll definitely look pretty in a Perspex glass case. The motherboard has a load of PCI slots and has all the necessary ports and plugins for a gaming motherboard. Overall I'm really happy with this motherboard for my friend's build, and what do you guys think? So this has been my unboxing and overview of the Asus 970 Pro Gaming Aura motherboard, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you're new here for more tech related content each week. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you have a great day. This has been RayJ.